Lesson 1 on how to play chess with Duvall. Chess is a very fun game, as you can see. Today we will go over the pieces on a chessboard. This is a pawn. While you may have heard it is the weakest piece on the chess board, it actually is very powerful in many ways. Here we have the king. Here we have the rook. Here we have the knight. Here we have the bishop. And the most powerful piece on a chessboard is the queen. Let me show you how these pieces move. So the pawn on the first move can go up to 2 pieces. It doesn't mean you need to go 2 pieces, but you can go 2 pieces. You could also just go 1. Only on the first move, though, can you go 2. Let me take this out of the way so I can show you. The rook here can go as many spaces forward or sideways as it wants, as long as it's unimpeded, which is why I took this pawn out of the way. The knight can only go in L formations. 2 forward, 1 across. 2 across, 1 forward, like an L key. The bishop, if left unimpeded, can go as far diagonal as it wants, as long as it's unimpeded. The king is the most restrictive piece, but if you kill the king, you capture the king, the game is over. So let me take this pawn out of the way to show you how a king can move. He can move basically one move in any direction. So imagine if the king was here, he can move to any of these spaces around here, but only one, the forward or backward. The queen, most powerful piece. I'm going to place her here to show you her power. She can move as far forward as she likes, as far backward, as far diagonal. That's pretty much it, as long as she's unimpeded in her way. So you'd have to have the pawn out of the way to be able to make a move. The only move that they can't make is a move that a knight would make, which is the L formation. Yeah, that's lesson 1.